The consumer price index data came out today, which measures the change over time in inflation came out today. And it came under what was expected in the market. So stock market is green. Supposedly, the CPI data is saying that inflation is going lower for the month of September. How many of you guys out there agree with that inflation is going low? In the data, it showed that food prices were going low. That's bullshit. It also showed that buying a brand new car was going low. That's also bullshit. And housing and rent was going lower. That's also bullshit. So the data that we're getting right now is a bunch of bullshit, but it's causing the markets to go green. And that's why I made that video before earlier in this week that you have to buy stocks. This market's going up at least until the end of the year. I don't know what's going to happen in 2026. And to everybody out there who's looking at videos and listening to people that's telling you that we're going to have a crash, nobody, and I mean no one, can tell you when we are going to have a crash. Are we going to have a crash? Come on, that's obvious. But nobody can tell you when. You cannot time this shit. So if I were you guys, continue buying in the stock market. Do not listen to the bull telling you to get out the market. Keep one foot in, keep one foot out. Keep some cash on the side so you can buy these stocks when they go on sale. But in the meantime, you ride the trend. The trend is up. The Federal Reserve is going to lower interest rates based on this data. He was already going to do it, but now he's really going to do it now. Next week, they're going to lower rates by 0.25%, supposedly. So there you go, or 0.25 basis points, I meant. So there you go. The stock market will continue to go green. So yes, continue to buy stocks. The stocks will continue to go green. In other economic news, Target is going to lay off about 1,700 people in their corporate jobs. That means the white collar jobs, not the people that are in the store, but the people that work at the corporate headquarters. Those are the high salary people. 1,700 people will be let go. That means their salaries will be reduced to zero and they will be collecting unemployment, which means they're going to pull back on their spending. If they pull back on their spending, these companies are not going to gain their money because they're not going to buy new things. They're not going to buy stuff they don't need. They're going to try to hunker down and save their money, which is going to cause some type of economic shock to the system because all of a sudden 1,700 people is going to be let go. So there you go. So again, in the meantime, you got to continue buying stocks. Although these jobs are going to let people go because they can, because of artificial intelligence, the stock market continues to be green. The economy supposedly is doing well. I don't see it, but like I said, you cannot let your emotions get into buying stocks. You gotta follow the trend. You gotta ride the wave. And it's something in Wall Street they say. I'm not in Wall Street, but what they say is don't fight the Fed. The Federal Reserve, is going to lower by 0.25 basis points next week. I think next Wednesday or Thursday. So the stock market, it loves the free money. They love to be greedy, and they're going to ride the wave again. And also, we are now entering holiday territory where stores are going to offer sales. They're going to offer big discounts. And we got Black Friday, we got Thanksgiving, and you have Christmas. You have big holidays, so these stores are going to make a lot of money. So those apparel stocks that are down, they're going to go up. And then people who are they're chasing the momentum and chasing the averages so they can get their bonuses. These investment firms, they're going to buy stocks that are down, and they're going to also buy stocks that are already up. The stock market is going to continue to go up. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just following the trend. And I recommend to you all to follow the trend. Do not pull back. Continue to buy, invest, invest, invest. Also, leave some cash on the side because we may have some volatility. Some stocks may go on sale. So, you want to have some cash ready so you can buy on the dip. Okay. So, that's today's news in the stock market, in the economy. Keep it Econ 100. You already know.